Hello everyone, I am Sanya. Now I'm wandering around the Suzhou Auto Show. Let's see what surprises this auto show can bring us. Although this is just an auto show held in Suzhou, a prefecture-level city in China, it has a huge space of 100,000 square meters, gathering more than 1,000 exhibitors. This is enough to prove, in the Yangtze River Delta, China's most economically developed region, how fierce and booming the competition in the auto consumption and new energy market is. This auto show has gathered more than 100 global brands, including not only domestic giants such as BYD and Geely, but also traditional luxury brands such as BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi, as well as new tech players such as Xiaomi and Harmony Intelligent Mobility. First up is BYD's high-end full-range, Yangwang, Fangchengbao, and Denza. Among them, Fangchengbao brings its hardcore off-road models. Yangwang brand presents its core models U7, U8, and U9. Denza also brings flagship models such as Denza N9 and Denza Z9 GT, fully demonstrating BYD's top new energy technology strength. Next is Great Wall Motors. As a representative of mainstream domestic independent automakers, it brings a full range of passenger vehicles, including fuel and new energy models, with a very complete lineup. Its subsidiary Haval brand also exhibited practical and cost-effective household SUV models such as Haval Menglon Plus and Haval H4, covering various travel scenarios. Nissan, a classic Japanese joint venture brand. This time, it brings core models such as NX8 and N7, covering both new energy and traditional fuel models, fully meeting the travel needs of different users. Volkswagen, a well-known German joint venture brand. This time, it focuses on exhibiting a full scenario layout of new energy model series. It also launched 2 household fuel vehicles through New Sharp and Sagittar, accurately adapting to family travel needs. Audi, a German luxury brand. All models exhibited this time are high-end pure electric models, focusing on luxury cockpit and high-level intelligent driving technology, highlighting its high-end positioning. Lynk Co, a domestic trendy high-end brand. This time, it brings its popular flagship models Lynk Co 07 and Lynk Co 03. The models are fashionable and sporty, deeply loved by young users. Arcfox. This time, it brings its best-selling model Arcfox Alpha S5. This is a pure electric SUV. It is not only outstanding in appearance, but also excellent in battery life performance. And the driving experience is also very excellent. Avita. It exhibited 2 models, Avita 06 and Avita 12. They are all equipped with advanced intelligent driving systems and high-end pure electric models with futuristic designs, leading the trend of intelligent travel. I'm Motors. It brings its flagship model I'm LSS8. This luxury pure electric SUV focuses on intelligent interaction and high-end driving experience, bringing users a new comfortable feeling. Hyper. As a high-end new energy brand, it exhibited a new pure electric model this time. The model focuses on sporty design and strong performance, demonstrating its strength in new energy technology. Smart, a trendy and exquisite pure electric compact car brand. The models exhibited this time are small, cute, fashionable, and exquisite, with flexible body, very suitable for urban commuting. Volvo Auto. As a new force entering the new energy track, it exhibited its first batch of pure electric models this time. It has attracted widespread market attention as soon as it was unveiled. Lexus, a Japanese luxury brand. The models exhibited this time are high-end new energy hybrid models, famous for its ultimate luxurious driving texture and excellent fuel economy. Xiaomi Auto, the top internet-famous automaker. This time, it exhibited the highly anticipated first pure electric model. The on-site popularity is booming, becoming a major highlight of this auto show. Kawasaki Motorcycles, a well-known motorcycle brand. It also appeared at the auto show this time, bringing classic high-performance motorcycle models, attracting many motorcycle enthusiasts to stop and watch. Maserati, a top Italian luxury car brand. The high-end luxury models exhibited this time are full of luxury and sportiness, fully showing the unique charm of Italian supercars. Lynk Co, an American luxury brand. It brings new energy and luxury fuel SUV models with American light luxury style, with spacious interior and comfortable driving experience. NEVO, a new energy brand under NEVO. This time, it brings core models L90 and L60, focusing on large space, high-level intelligent driving, and convenient battery swapping experience, accurately adapting to the needs of family users. Geely Auto. It brings its popular model Geely Galaxy 7. This is a cost-effective, intelligent new energy sedan, balancing practicality and intelligence. Very suitable for family use. Next are two well-known Japanese joint venture brands, Toyota and GAC Honda. Toyota brings core models such as the all-new Prado, new BZ3, and Corolla Hybrid this time. GAC Honda exhibits the latest new energy models as well as classic sedans and SUVs. Both together meet the diverse needs of different consumers. Changan Qiyuan. It exhibited Changan Qiyuan Q07. This model is positioned for mainstream household use and is a practical new energy model with spacious interior and reliable performance. Next is the Harmony Intelligent Driving Series, covering three major brands, Auto, Shangji, and Gigi, all equipped with Huawei's high-level intelligent driving technology and Harmony cockpit, with outstanding strength. Among them, Auto brings its best-selling model Auto M6. Shangji exhibits its new model Shangji Z7. Gigi brings its flagship model Gigi R7, fully demonstrating the technological advantages of Harmony Intelligent Driving. The above is the complete inventory of all participating brands and flagship models at the Suzhou station of China Auto Show. This is just the overview content of the first episode. I will bring you multiple in-depth topics in the follow-up. Comparison of Chinese and foreign pure electric models. Collection of internet-famous luxury cars. Special session on press conferences of all brands under China's BYD and international brands. Hongmeng Intelligent Driving Series special session, as well as the latest automotive technologies and industry trends. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss any of the in-depth content in the future. See you next time.